Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am making videos on Java programming language and frameworks. Please do subscribe, like and share for more videos. And please support us. Thank you. Here I am explaining how to find a largest number from the given array of integer variables. Okay, so this is actual code to results the maximum of a given array, maximum number of given array. So first we can practice by looking into each and every line of code into the hand execution, so that how we have to think and how we have to write the code. We can do it by hand execution. Okay, so first you can start from main as usual. What is the first statement here? Array. Then start using your hand execution here. Integer array which is having how many elements? 5 elements. Array is a group of integers, right? Because here array is declared as a type of integer. Now it can store a type of integer, a group of type of integer variables. Integer type of variables. Now 10, 40, 80, 5 and 9. And this is what is the array name here? ARR, right? Array name. And how to get the values from the array? Based on the index value. So give index value starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So when you look this, first understand the logic here. When you see this, you people can say easily 80 is the largest number, but you have to find how you are identifying 80 is the largest number. On what basis you are telling this? Okay, so think from that. And when you are thinking 80, you already traveled the array of the two elements. The third element, because you are here, you already traveled here, right? That means we have to travel array from the beginning to ending. That's why we are including for loop here. Okay, next. And on what basis 80 is the largest number? And you already compared these two values also with largest number. So our logic starts from array beginning to ending. And next you have to compare each and every element with the sum element. Why can't we take first element is the maximum number? Okay, and compare with 10 with each and every element. And if any element is coming as a greater number to this 10 value, then you can swap this. You can swap it to max value and you can travel until the array ending. Finally, max value we can get the largest number. That is our logic here. Now I already told you we have to traverse array from the beginning to array. So int I is equal to 1. Why int I is equal to 1? I will tell you. Before that, I just now I told you we have to take one max variable and compare that variable to all the other elements. If any greater number is there, we have to swap it with the max number. So first we will take 10 is the, just assume 10 is the maximum number, right? So for that I have given max is equal to ARR of 0. Okay, just execute this step now. What is the variable here? Max. And what it is storing? ARR of 0. ARR of 0 is 10 and stored here. And next, what is the next step? Int I is equal to 1, because already 0 array of 0 already stored in max number, and we are assuming this for now this is the maximum number. That's why we can start the for loop from the array of 1. That's why I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1. I less than array dot length. Here I have given less than. Less than means array dot length. Here array length is 5. Array length is what? 5. But here indexes are available until 4. So to avoid the array index out of bound exception, we have to give less than array dot length. Okay. Next, I plus plus increment operator. Next, what is our code here? I have to compare 10 value with 40. 40 is greater than 10. I want to, if that condition is satisfying, I want to initialize this greater number to max number, and and considering that max number, I will compare remaining remaining array elements. So in the for loop, if you start execute this is the condition, right? You can start writing here condition is array of I. What is the array of I now? And before going to that, I value also start writing the hand execution. What is the I value now? 1. Keep a value 1. Now understand this step. Array of 1. Array of 1. 40. This is condition. Okay. 40. Next, what is this? Greater than. What is this? Max. What is the present value of max value? 10. Condition satisfied. If condition satisfied, the statement of the if condition, inside the if condition, you can because here only single statement is there, that's why I did not give the curly braces. Okay, if that condition is satisfied, you are the controller, right? You have to take care of all these things. Now condition is satisfied, array of I is assigned to max. What is the array of I? 40. 40 can be assigned to max. Max is changed to 40. Okay, that is our code. Next, from here where it will go? Again I plus plus. I value 1, right? 2. The small next this condition. What is the array condition? For loop condition here I am giving array condition 2 less than array dot length. Array dot length is here 5. Condition satisfied. Now we are entering into for loop. Again if condition. Array of I. What is I value? 2. Array of 2. 80. 80. Next, greater than. Max value. Max value. What is the present max value here? 40. Condition satisfied. If condition satisfied, we have to replace the max value with which value? Array of I as per our code. Array of I. What is our array of I? I is 2. Array of 2 is 80. 80 is stored into max value. That's it. Okay, 80 is stored into max value. And again go to the I plus plus. 2 is we have to remove like this, and next give a I value as 3. Next I value is 3 here. Next condition execution here. I value 3 less than 5, right? Condition satisfied. Enter into the for loop, and next again if statement. Array of I. What is the I value? 3. Array of 3 5. 5 greater than max. What is the max value? 80. Condition not satisfied. So we can skip the if block. We are not executing this step because if condition is failed. Again we have to go to increment value. I value is now 3, then 4. Next 4 less than, this condition will execute. 4 less than 5. Condition satisfied. Enter into the loop. Again if condition. Array of I. I value is now 4. Array of 4. 9. 9 greater than max value 80. Condition not satisfied. If condition is, we are not executing. Again I plus plus 5. 4 can be 4 plus 1 5. Next condition is 5 less than 5. Condition not satisfied. So we are breaking the we are coming out from the entire for loop. This is entire for loop. We are come out from the entire for loop. And what is the last statement? Max. Max is, we are just printing max value. What is the max value? 80. This 80 is printing here. So this is how you have to understand the already existing code.